Saturday long run. We're doing an ultra marathon, 30+ miles. We're running around the perimeter, Manhattan, New York City. Definitely excited, definitely nervous. Let's go run some miles. 3 miles in, it's past the Brooklyn Bridge. Vibes are high. There's the crew. Let's go. Let's go. City perimeter run.
I'll wait with you. Mile 12. Got Pilot Pete with me.
Let's go. Mile 18, gang. How we feeling? Good. Let's go.
Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Woo! Listen. Let's go, baby.
It is 32. Let's go. That's where you dig deep. You find that grit. No quit. No quit. Pilot Pete on the final countdown. Oh, fuck. 32.8. Woo!
Hey, we did it, folks. 32.86. What a day, baby. What a day.
Let's go, team perimeter.
Nothing hits better. Post 33 miles. Shake Shack double cheeseburger.